Hello, my beloved Catanatics, family, and friends. This is Kathy here, Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya, Gal. And this video, I am going to use this one to let you guys know and give you an update with what's going on with Bisayang Ilocana. So, magbibigay po ako ng time frame between me and Gil kung ano yung nangyari sa amin over the past week and the past weekend. So, last week po, noong December 26th, si Beb ko, nag-complain siya na masama yung pakiramdam niya. Mayroon siyang body pain, para siyang lalagnatin, tsaka ubo ng ubo. So, during that time naman, we were thinking that it was just a regular flu kasi nga, nag-change yung weather dito sa Las Vegas and at the same time, nag-spike talaga yung flu cases dito. Tapos umuulan-ulan pa and then whenever he sees his patients, yun, labas siya, nababasa siya ng ulan, tapos pupunta sa kotse, pupunta sa patient's house, tapos kotse na naman and everything. So, we were thinking na baka nga flu lang. And noong Monday, kinaumagahan, which was December 27th, sabi niya talaga na parang masama na talaga yung pakiramdam niya. So, he decided to get tested doon sa isang clinic dito. But he did get the test na the results will be in within 24 hours, hindi yung rapid na within hours lang. So while we were waiting, we were home and I was home, hindi ako pumasok sa trabaho ko rin during that time kasi nga yung intake coordinator namin sa office, nag-report din siya na nag-positive daw yung husband niya. May mga family members siya na masama yung pakiramdam, masama din yung pakiramdam niya. And of course, sa akin naman, masama pakiramdam ni Beb. So we were all thinking na it's safer for us to just work from home. Kaya hindi ako pumasok. So I was here. I was totally fine during that time. Wala akong symptoms or anything. And then I told Beb na while we're waiting for the result, kasi we know na kinaumagahan pa namin makukuha yung result. Sabi ko, maghanap na lang ako ng home test kit, yung swab test na mabibili sa pharmacy, and mag-test ako sa sarili ko dito sa bahay, just to see kung anong magiging result. So we got it. We went here and then I tested myself and it was negative. And then I told Beb, sabi ko, may isa pang kit dyan. Why don't you just try it and test yourself too while we're waiting for the results from the clinic. So he did that one and agad-agad nag-positive yung result. So we were like, okay, well, you're positive, you have the symptoms, so let's do a quarantine. Dito ka sa kwarto na to, and then I will be staying in the other room. And then let's verify everything once we get the results from the clinic mismo, kung saan siya nagpa-PCR. So yun na yung magiging determining factor natin. But for now, let's treat it as positive kasi nga, sabi nga doon sa swab, sa home kit, positive siya, and then ako negative. So doon ako natulog. Tapos, that was Monday, December 27th. And then, December 28th, dumating yung result niya. And he was actually negative. Negative yung PCR niya. So, I don't know what happened with the home kit na nag-positive. But during, nung results niya sa clinic, it was actually negative. So, we're like, okay, resume everything. And even if mag-work kami sa bahay, I just had to get some stuff from the office. So I went to the office and I worked there half a day. And I was totally fine during that time. Wala talaga akong nafe-feel na kung ano-ano. I was up and going about my day and everything. And then the only complaint na feel ko during that time is nagising ako na masakit yung likod ko, but I was blaming it on the mattress doon sa kabilang kwarto kasi nga hindi comfortable. Talagang sumasakit talaga din naman yung likod ko pag doon ako natutulog sa kabilang kwarto. So I was thinking, maybe that was the case kaya masakit yung likod ko. And then I worked half a day sa office and then umuwi ako, everything was fine. And then that night, December 28 in the evening, parang mas lalo pang sumasakit yung likod ko, and then yung mga kalamnan ko na, yung braso ko, yung bewang ko, yung ganon. And then I was starting to feel like I was gonna have a fever. So sabi ko, naku, baka nagka-flu na rin ako. Sabi ko, we were all treating it as flu kasi nga negative siya. And we were thinking, saan ba namin makukuha? Di ba? So, it was just a change of weather and everything. Yun yung mindset namin. So, we were taking NyQuil, Dayquil, and then nagpa-prescribe din kami ng azithromycin at saka yung methylprednisolone, yung steroid. He took it, I took it, and then, yun. After that, December 29th, December 30th, I was starting to get more sick and he was starting to feel better. Kumbaga, kung saan pagaling na siya, ako naman yung pa-downhill during that time. And dahil nga nag-negative siya, so we were all thinking na it was just a flu, so we didn't really think of testing ako. Hindi ako naisip na mag-test during that time. But nung Friday night, it was New Year's Eve, December 31st, we were downstairs and I forgot kung ano yung kinakain namin, but na-notice ko, sabi ko, bakit parang walang lasa yung pagkain? And then sabi ko, let me test something. So I took a raw onion doon sa fridge. Hiniwa ko na talagang juicy pa siya na humahapdi pa yung mata mo na hinihiwa mo dahil sobrang tapang niya. I took a bite and it tasted like nothing. Wala akong nalasahan talaga sa sibuyas. So sabi ko, nako, eto na to. Sabi ko, ano na talaga to? Parang confirmation na to na may COVID ako. But Beb was saying na during the past couple days, yung ang nagkaroon siya ng flu-like symptoms na masama yung pakiramdam niya. Sabi niya sa akin na nagkaroon din daw siya ng loss of smell and taste kasi nga clogged yung ilong niya, barado dahil may plema, and nawala-wala din daw yung panlasa niya. So he was thinking, I was feeling the same way na mawawala lang yan, it's parang common lang din yan sa flu. So sabi ko, okay, but it just feels different. Iba yung klase ng pagkawala ng lasa ko dahil lang clog yung ilong ko na wala akong maamoy, or yung, and compare dun sa na-feel ko na talagang hindi naman clog yung ilong ko, pero bakit hindi ako makaamoy at wala akong panlasa. So I told him, I'd like to get tested para sure, para lang magkaroon kami ng peace of mind during that time. And then I was trying to schedule myself for swab test doon sa mga clinic and pharmacy kung saan man nagkakaroon ng yung testing site dito. And natsambahan na nakahanap ako ng nag-iisa, nagbubukod tanging availability kasi sobrang full. Lahat ng pharmacy na chinek ko, full sila kasi marami nagpapatest ngayon. Marami kasi nagkakaroon ng flu and of course worst case scenario, marami nang nagkaka-COVID na naman ngayon. And yun, nagkaroon ako nakakuha ako ng isang available spot which was Sunday. That was January 2nd at 2:40 p.m. So nagpa-schedule ako ng Friday and then I had to wait Saturday and then Sunday, pumunta kami doon sa pharmacy. Nag-drive-thru kami, nagpa-swab and everything. And the results will be in daw the following day, which is the 3rd of January. So we were waiting. And of course, monitor ni Beb yung health ko. Chine-check yung O2 sat ko, yung temperature ko and everything. But during that time, I was feeling better na as far as having fever and body pain. Nawala na, nag-subside na yung mga symptoms na yon other than me losing my smell and taste. So, nung nakuha ko yung results the following day, which is January 3rd, yun nga, it came out positive. So, I have COVID. And he was checking and see kung ano pa yung symptoms ko, ano pa yung dapat kong gawin. And I kept telling him, I was fine and I am still fine up to now. Wala lang talaga akong panlasa at pangamoy. And it was so hard kasi nga, I started losing my smell and taste. New Year's Eve, we didn't really do anything. We just relaxed and watch a movie. And then New Year's Day, the following day, nagkaroon kami ng konting salo-salo dito and we had, what did we get? We had Max's chicken. Meron kaming chicken, meron kaming sushi, meron kaming pansit, ang sasarap na mga pagkain, may mga kakanin. It just sucked so much na wala akong malasahan talaga, wala akong maamoy. So, I was still having the habit of, syempre may manok, so sausaw ako ng ketchup, kakain ako. But the truth is, talagang wala akong panlasa. I was just imagining na may lasa siya. And I even tried the wasabi kasi nga may sushi kami. And I can feel the stinging sensation sa bibig, but yung lasa talagang wala. And I even gargled Listerine. Alam nyo yung feeling na mababurn yung mouth ninyo. Meron pa rin akong sensation na ganon. I can feel the burn sa bibig ko na nagmumumog ako ng Listerine, but I just can't taste it. Wala talagang panlasa. Yung yung toothpaste, walang panlasa. Lahat. I tried everything, and then pag lumalabas, nagrereklamo si Beb, amoy sigarilyo, mabaho sigarilyo. Sabi ko, wala. I can't smell it. Wala talaga, as in. So, I don't know if it's a curse or a blessing na magkaroon ng loss of taste and smell, but it actually benefits me in some way, and at the same time, it doesn't kasi it's not normal. And, yun. So, kahapon, nung nalaman ni Beb na nag-positive ako, I think nagpa-test siya ulit just to make sure na hindi maging positive yung sa kanya kasi nga yung initial result niya was negative. So sabi niya magpa-test ako ulit since na-confirm na positive ako, baka this time positive na siya. And Mother Dear also took the COVID test, and ganun pa rin, negative siya, negative si Mother. Ako lang yung nag-positive ngayon, which is weird, I don't know, kasi magkasama kami lagi kung saan siya na-expose. Obviously, yun yung napupunta sa akin, napupunta kay Mother Dear, pero bakit ako lang yung positive? Kumbaga, wala naman akong iba pang ginawa. And when I'm at work, yun din, ang exposure ko rin is, yun lang, 3 lang kami, plus my boss na nandun naman sa kabilang kwarto. So, I don't know, I don't really know. We're trying to figure out saan ko nakuha, what could have possibly happened during that time, pero wala. Ganun talaga. I'm positive right now. And yun, the only good part about me having this COVID is that nalagpasan ko na yung mga painful symptoms, yung fever, yung body aches, and then ubo. I was coughing but not so much. And yun, other than that, I'm fine. I just don't have any smell or taste. And yun, and yesterday, sabi ko kay Beb, let me try to do another test. And this time, to a different clinic naman. I don't know why, but I just said, I want to get tested again just to see. Kasi nga, parang hindi namin ma-figure out saan, ano yung connection na, or saan yung connection dahil negative sila na ako positive. So kung sabi ko, kung nag-test ka twice and you're still negative, should I get another test and see if it's still gonna be positive or baka this time negative siya? Kumbaga, pinagdududahan ko yung results ko. Although, it's already manifesting na wala nga akong panlasa at pangamoy. So, I did take another test yesterday, and I got the result last night, and it's still positive. And those are from 2 different places. So, one is the pharmacy and one is the clinic, and they were both positive. So, talagang may COVID si Bisayang Ilocana right now. And then, yun. Right now, I'm here in the room on quarantine. I'm working from home. I got my laptop here in front of me. I got all my papers and everything here. And yun, just living the day, living my life. And my Beb has always been very supportive and very caring. He's the one that's been taking care of me, taking care of Mother, of course, to make sure na hindi ko mahawaan si Mother Dear. So, nandito ako sa kwarto. Binibigyan niya ako dito lagi. Hinahatiran niya ako ng breakfast, fruits, and yung mga vitamins ko nandito everyday. Chine-check niya ako if I'm okay. Pumapasok siya dito, nagmamask naman, and of course, nagmamask din ako. pag alam ko na nandito na sila sa bahay. Kasi this is the main bedroom and his stuff is here. So he'll be coming in and out of this room. And yun. But other than that, as you can see, I'm smiling, I'm laughing, I'm probably kind of joking about it, but that doesn't mean that I'm taking all of this lightly. Of course, I'm scared kasi nga it's COVID and a lot of people die from COVID and the symptoms and the complications that the COVID brings. But I am just being or acting like this because I still have that positive mindset that everything is fine. I woke up today. God gave me another day to live, and I am still blessed because of all those things and the support system that I have, especially with my boyfriend who's always been with me. And talagang alaga ako, alaga ako ni Gil. So I am very happy and I love him so much for that and for any other things, all other things yun. And yun. So I am still okay. Wala akong fever. I feel nothing other than wala, yun did nothing. No sense of smell and taste. But yun, I am okay. And parang bad timing lang talaga tong COVID na to sa akin, sa amin. Kasi nga, this month, we have so much stuff to do. We have so many projects that we need to do. And for the better, all positive. Pero yun nga, I got hit by COVID. So medyo may konting aberya sa mga bagay-bagay. But we are still trying to move everything, keeping everything on track. And as scheduled para sa amin. I will give you guys an update later on. And sana magtuloy-tuloy ang paggaling ni Bisayang Ilocana. And yun, sobrang ano lang, parang bad timing lang talaga tong COVID na to. But it's a test and I am being patient. I don't ask God why. I just pray na whatever it is, whatever the purpose of me having this COVID, igaguide niya ako and He will always clean my heart na wala akong hatred, wala akong inggit or wala akong disappointment kung baga why do I have this and that. I got nothing for that. And yun, I am still feeling blessed and happy. So yun guys, sa mga nag-positive din dyan, please be safe, do quarantine, avoid po natin na magka-close contact tayo sa ibang tao. Please be considerate and sensitive naman po na wag nating hawaan yung ibang mga tao, lalo na yung may mga health risk at compromised ngayon. And sana sa mga walang symptoms ngayon, walang mga sakit, please be safe out there. Vitamins po, vitamins, homeopathic, holistic way of preventing the disease. Gawin niyo po, vitamins, lemon juice, salabat, at kung ano-ano pa na makaka-build ng immune system ninyo, gawin niyo po. Self-medication. Marami ako nakikita dyan na mga post, lalo na sa Pinas, na marami nagsa-self-medicate ngayon kasi maraming masasama yung pakiramdam. They feel like they have the trangkaso. So they're doing self-medication, they're taking multiple medications without even knowing or thinking na magkakapareho lang pala yung mga yon, yung may mga ingredients sila na magkakapareho lang. And most of them end up nag-overdose sila. So, please be careful. Basahin po, i-research po yung mga gamot. Just because they're over the counter and they're accessible doesn't mean bili lang kayo ng bili at laklak lang kayo ng laklak. So, ayun po. And if you really don't feel well and gusto niyo na talagang magkaroon ng correct medication, magpa-check up po kayo, magpa-check up po. And yun, continue to build your immune system even though may sakit na kayo, masama yung pakiramdam ninyo. And yun, so I will give you guys an update soon. May mga changes na mangyayari sa buhay ni Bisayang Ilocana at lalo na sa beb ko. And we are very excited for that new chapter of our lives. And soon po, magbablog tayo ulit. And let's all be happy, let's all be healthy, and let's all keep a positive insight about life and about the situation that's going on right now. So yun guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for the support. And please stay safe out there. Bye.